How to use a Roblox gift card. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you on how can you use a Roblox gift card. So Roblox gift cards can enhance your overall gaming experience on the platform significantly. To redeem them, you can visit roblox.com and proceed with the redemption process on the web browser. After logging into your specific account and completing a two-step verification, if it's enabled, the next step is to find your PIN. For physical gift cards, you might locate the PIN on the back under a scratch-off security label on your receipt, and in the case of digital cards, the PIN will typically be sent through your email. Once you have your PIN, enter it and select Redeem. So for that, you have to go to roblox.com and click on the gift card section, which is just below the official stores. And once you reach on this page, click on the redeem card option that is in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. And then you will be directed to a new page where it's indicating the redeem Roblox codes option. Enter your gift card, virtual item, or promo code below. So in the code section, you need to enter the valid code in this designated area. And by checking the box, you can acknowledge that you're at least 18 years of this age and you have the permission of your parent or legal guardian of the account owner. And you also agree to the terms and conditions of the Roblox. Then have to hit redeem in order to redeem your Roblox gift card. The credit will then be added to your account, allowing you to purchase Robux, a premium subscription, or both. It's important to note that gift cards bought from the Amazon are only redeemable for Robux. Additionally, you have the option to convert your total available credit into Robux. With your Robux, you can buy accessories for your avatar and access the special perks in your favorite experiences. So don't forget to check your inventory regularly as each gift card comes with a complimentary virtual item upon redemption. These items change monthly and are limited to one per month per account. So for more information and to explore the range of Roblox gift cards available, visit the Roblox website. So this was all about it. If you found this guide to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.